So in my last video I mentioned the rain, the torrential rain that we have here and our balcony. So here's our balcony and our bedroom. Here's our bedroom. Here's our bedroom with our mosquito netted bed. Yeah, but so I wanted to show you guys the rain that I was talking about that we get every day, just about every day, and it pours like this. And here's our balconies here, rocking chairs. We actually rock like a couple of old people. Hear that thunder. Thunderstruck. And not AC/DC. Yep. Life in the jungle. Life in the rainforest. And here he is. In his rocking chair.
Take it away.
Alright, well, c'est la vie.